Hey YouTube, I bought this USB Type-C to HDMI adapter from Amazon, $20 Canadian. Um, this is made by Choetech. Let me show you the front of the box, and I'll show you the sides in case you're interested. Now, the reason I bought this was because I do a lot of traveling, and I always hated what they had on TV. So what I decided to do was to buy this as an adapter to connect my Samsung Note 10 Plus to the hotel's TV. So as you can see here, a little description. Uh, so notebook, HDMI adapter, uh, cable, and to your TV. Now there's a list of compatible devices, and I saw that my device was compatible, so I decided to give this a shot. Here's the back, in case you got interested. Now, there was a lot of brands on Amazon, and I had a hard time deciding which one to buy. But they all seemed the same. But what I saw were the reviews for this Choetech adapter had a lot of good reviews, and I decided to give this one a shot. Now, let me show you what's inside. Now, what we have here is, looks like it's the adapter, so USB Type-C to HDMI. Here we go over here. Nice beefy cable, I'd say about 1/4 inch in diameter. Now this is where you put your HDMI cable to. A little finger grip, not a button, just for grip. And then here we have the USB Type-C, label 60 Hertz, a little cover cap. Here we go. Now, from the reviews I read online, I was told, or what I read was, this part here in particular gets quite hot. Now, they did have a newer model of this. When I bought on Amazon, they suggested the newer model. Not suggested, but they did have a comment saying that they had a newer model for this item. But the new model is made of aluminum housing and a braided cable here. Now the braided cable is fine, but I didn't want to go with the aluminum housing because it would get a lot more hotter. But plastic would take quite a bit of time to get hot, but it would store the heat for a longer period of time. So I had a hard choice deciding which one to get, the new model or this older model, but this is compatible with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and seemed like it had a lot more purchases and reviews, so I decided to go with the more reliable plastic model, which is the older version of it. I doubt anything is different from the older and newer model, maybe just the construction of it, but I am not an expert, so I could be wrong. Now, what do we have here? Packaging. Looks like warranty card, about 18 months warranty. Cool. This looks like it's user manual. So this seems to be the English side. Then we have multiple languages here, so in case you want to see what the English side says, I'll bring that close to the camera. Move my fingers a little bit. So here we go. Bought this from Amazon. It's a 4K 60 Hertz USB Type-C to HDMI adapter. Now, another reason why I went with the adapter versus having the USB-C straight to HDMI was because, like I said, this area gets quite hot. Now, I was worried that if this were to be, let's say, instead of a male plugging into my smart TV, I was worried about damaging the input from my smart TV. So I went with the adapter, so if anything does get damaged, it would not be my TV, which was quite expensive for me. So I do not know how well this is going to work. Based on the reviews, it should work, but I'm going to give it a try. So if you guys want to see a video of me trying it out or testing it, let me guys know. So thank you guys, and have a good one.